Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lollipop blind bags. First, let's gather all the necessary items to begin this fun craft project. You'll need a selection of lollipops, some small, exciting toys, and a variety of colorful wrapping papers. Don't forget your basic crafting tools, a good pair of scissors, reliable tape, and a hot glue gun for a strong hold. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll prepare our lollipops and toys for their big reveal. Take one small toy and carefully position it around the lollipop stick, just beneath the candy head. Use a small piece of tape to secure the toy firmly in place. The goal is to make sure the toy stays put, but is still easy to remove later. Repeat this step for all your lollipops, ensuring each one has a hidden surprise. Now comes the creative part, designing your blind bags. Cut your chosen wrapping paper into squares, roughly 6 by 6 inches. Place a prepared lollipop, with the toy facing down, in the center of one paper square. Carefully bring the edges of the paper up around the lollipop, gathering them neatly at the top. Secure this gathered paper tightly around the lollipop stick using a small piece of ribbon or string. This creates the classic blind bag shape. For the final touches, you can add decorative elements to each blind bag. Consider using fun stickers, small labels, or even drawing unique designs to make each one special. Double-check that all your blind bags are securely sealed, ensuring the surprise remains until they are opened. These are perfect for parties, gifts, or just a fun treat. And for more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your amazing, handmade lollipop blind bags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.